Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the updated process of how to comment on a post on Instagram. Whether you want to share your thoughts, show appreciation, or engage with friends, commenting is a great way to connect. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you're already logged in, you'll be greeted by your feed filled with posts from friends and accounts you follow. If you're not logged in yet, simply enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, it's time to find the post you want to comment on. You can scroll through your feed or tap on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of the screen to search for specific users or hashtags. If you're looking for something specific, just type it into the search bar. Once you've found the post that catches your eye, go ahead and tap on it to open it up fully. Now that you have the post open, look for the comment icon. This icon usually looks like a speech bubble and is located just below the post. When you click on this icon, it will take you directly to the comment section, where you can see what others have said and add your own thoughts. With the comment section open, it's time to express yourself. Tap on the text box that says, "Add a comment." A keyboard will pop up, allowing you to type whatever you'd like. Whether it's a compliment, a question, or just a fun emoji, let your creativity flow. Once you've crafted the perfect comment, look for the post icon or send button. This is usually represented by an arrow pointing upwards. Give that a tap, and voila! Your comment is now live for everyone to see, and there you have it. Commenting on posts on Instagram is quick and easy. Remember, engaging with others not only enhances your experience, but also builds connections within the community. So go ahead and start commenting on those posts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks about social media.